Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So for today's video, we will discuss about the physical properties of alcohol. So we have two properties of that we will discuss today, which is boiling point and solubility of alcohol. So we look at the first one, boiling point of alcohol. So molecule of alcohol can form a hydrogen bond between the alcohol molecules, and also van der Waals force between the alkyl group means that alcohol molecules can form two types of intermolecular force. The first one is hydrogen bond. So hydrogen bond is formed between the hydroxy group, two hydroxy group, which is in between O of one molecule with hydrogen of another molecule. And then we have another intermolecular force, which is van der Waals force, that is formed between the alkyl group. For this example, between the ethyl group. Okay. Here where is the van der Waals force is formed. So alcohol have higher boiling point than alkane with similar molecular weight. When we compare to an alkane, for example, we have ethanol and propane. Both compound has similar molecular weight, which is ethanol is 46, propane is 44. Okay, when we compare these two types of molecule, ethanol will have higher boiling point, whereas propane has lower boiling point, -42. Okay, this is because ethanol can form hydrogen bond between molecules because it contains hydroxy group where the hydrogen bond is formed, while propane only can form weak van der Waals force between molecules. Okay, propane can only form weak van der Waals force. When we compare the strength of hydrogen bond and the strength of van der Waals force, the hydrogen bond is stronger than van der Waals force. Means that there is more energy needed to break the hydrogen bond between ethanol molecules. That is why the boiling point of ethanol is higher compared to the propane. Okay, that is the first factor. Okay, so if our alcohol, one of our alcohol contains more number of hydroxyl groups, so means that alcohol will have higher boiling point. For example, we have here 1,2-ethanediol and 1-propanol. When we compare the molecular weight, it is similar. 1,2-ethanediol 62, 1-propanol is 60. So the boiling point of 1,2-ethanediol is 198, 1-propanol is 97. So why the boiling point of 1,2-ethanediol is higher than 1-propanol? This is due to the formation of more hydrogen bonds formed between 1,2-ethanediol molecule because it is consists of more hydroxyl group. Okay, when we compare the number of hydroxyl group, 1,2-ethanediol has more hydroxyl group. So ada dua hydroxyl group kat sini. 1-propanol only 1. So means that 1,2-ethanediol can form more hydrogen bond between molecule. Since there is more hydrogen bond formed, means that more energy needed to break the hydrogen bonds between 1,2-ethanediol molecule compared to 1-propanol. Okay, we look at the third case. Alcohol with same number of hydrogen bond, boiling point increase with increasing molecular weight. Okay, this one we look at the different molecular weight. Okay, so we have here is ethanol and 1-butanol. Ethanol is 46, 1-butanol is 74. So when we compare the molecular weight of 1-butanol is greater than ethanol. Okay, how about the boiling point? So we see here ethanol has 78 degrees C, 1-butanol is 180. So we look here, the boiling point of 1-butanol is greater than ethanol. Okay, why? Because when the molecular weight of one butanol is greater than ethanol, the molecular contact surface area of one butanol is greater than ethanol. So the strength of van der Waals force between molecule of one butanol is greater than ethanol. So there is more energy needed to overcome the force between one butanol molecule because the strength of van der Waals force. Because of why we compare the strength of van der Waals force here, because the number of hydroxyl group is same, means that the number of hydrogen bond is same for both molecules, but the size of alkyl group is different. For ethanol only consists of 2 carbon, one butanol consists of 4 carbon, means that one butanol is bigger compared to ethanol. Okay, so we look at the solubility. So alcohol is consists of 2 parts, which is hydrophobic part, water hating part, and hydrophilic part, water lover part. Why water hating part? Because in the hydrophobic part cannot form hydrogen bond with water, but the hydrophilic part can form hydrogen bond with water molecules. So that's why the hydrophilic part is called as water lover. So where is the hydrophobic part and hydrophilic part in alcohol molecules? So the alkyl group are hydrophobic part. So the alkyl group here is called as hydrophobic part, the one that can't form hydrogen bond with water molecule. And then we have hydroxyl group, which are hydrophilic. So this one is hydrophilic part, which is the hydroxyl group, the one that can form hydrogen bond with water molecules. So the lower molecular weight alcohol such as methanol, ethanol, propanol are soluble in water. Because of this, alcohol can easily form hydrogen bond with water molecule. So this is how alcohol molecule form hydrogen bond with water. So we know that hydroxyl group of alcohol consists of O and H. So hydrogen of alcohol can form hydrogen bond with oxygen of water, and then the oxygen of alcohol of hydroxyl group is form hydrogen bond with hydrogen of water. So there are hydrogen bond is formed. Here is the hydrogen bond is formed. So as the size of alkyl group increase, the solubility decrease. Okay, why? So we have 2 example here. This one is ethanol. This one is 2-methyl 2-propanol. When we compare these 2 alcohol, the number of hydroxyl group is same, but the size of hydrophobic part is different. So for ethanol only consists of 2 carbon. For 2-methyl 2-propanol consists of 4 carbon. So the ethanol will have higher solubility in water, but 2-methyl 2-propanol has lower solubility in water. Why? Because of the size of hydrophobic region of 2-methyl 2-propanol is bigger than ethanol. Therefore, ability to form hydrogen bond with water of 2-methyl 2-propanol is less than ethanol. So, the ability to form hydrogen bond with water molecule in 2-methyl 2-propanol is less compared to the ethanol. Okay, alcohol with roughly the same molecular weight. Solubility increase with increasing number of hydroxyl group. Okay, when we compare here, we have 2 propanol and then we have 1,2-ethane diol. So when we see here, 2 propanol only consists of 1 hydroxyl group, but 1,2-ethane diol contain 2 hydroxyl group, which is 1,2-ethane diol has more hydroxyl group compared to the 2 propanol, and the ability to form and able to form more hydrogen bond with water molecules. So 1,2-ethanediol can form more hydrogen bond with water molecule. Therefore, 1,2-ethanediol is more soluble compared to the 2-propanol. So I think that's all for our discussion today. So I hope this video can help you to answer all of my questions. That's all for today. Assalamualaikum dan selamat mencuba.